Hi students, today we will study energy of forced oscillator. Differential equation of forced oscillation is given by m into d2x by dt square plus r into dx by dt plus kx is equal to f0 sin qt. This is differential equation. Multiply above equation by dx by dt. By multiplying dx by dt, we get m into d2x by dt square into dx by dt plus r dx by dt multiply by dx by dt plus kx dx by dt is equal to f0 sin qt dx by dt. Consider derivative with respect to t of kinetic energy plus potential energy, that is d by dt of 1 half m dx by dt, that is velocity square, plus 1 half kx square. This is potential energy, this is kinetic energy. Derivative with respect to t, that is equal to derivative with respect to t of first term, that is 1 half m as it is. The derivative of dx by dt bracket square is 2 into bracket, again multiply by derivative of dx by dt. Then we get 1 half m 2 into dx by dt, then d2x by dt square plus derivative of 1 half kx square, 1 half k as it is. The derivative of x square is 2x into dx by dt. On simplification we get here these 2 get cancelled with these 2, here 2 get cancelled with these 2, then we get m into d2x by dt square into dx by dt plus kx dx by dt. See, this term is in this equation. Here this is the first term and this is kinetic energy term. Put this value in above equation, then we get d by dt of 1 half m dx by dt bracket square plus 1 half kx square. This is derivative with respect to t of kinetic energy plus potential energy, that is equal to f0 sin qt dx by dt minus r dx by dt bracket square. This bracket term is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Put this is equal to E, then we get d by dt of E, that is dE by dt, that is equal to f0 sin qt dx by dt minus r dx by dt bracket square. E is total energy over the period. Displacement in forced oscillation is given by x is equal to a sine of qt minus phi. Derivative of x with respect to t, that is dx by dt, that is equal to a as it is derivative of sine cos qt minus phi into q. Now expansion of cos qt minus phi, that is cos alpha minus beta. We use the relation cos alpha minus beta, that is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Use this relation or use this expansion of cos alpha minus beta in this equation, then we get dx by dt, that is equal to aq cos qt cos phi plus sin qt sin phi. f0 sin qt dx by dt. Put this value of dx by dt in this term, f0 sin qt dx by dt, that is equal to f0 sin qt. The value of dx by dt is aq cos qt cos phi plus sin qt sin phi. Multiply this term inside the bracket, we get aq f0, this aq f0 sin qt cos phi plus f0 aq sin phi sin square qt. Take average both the sides, we get the average of f0 sin qt dx by dt, that is equal to average of sin qt cos qt. Here average of sin square qt. Now the average value of sin qt cos qt, that is equal to 0, and the average value of sin square qt, that is equal to half. Put this value in this equation, then we get f0 sin qt dx by dt, its average is equal to, put the value of this average sin qt cos qt is equal to 0, and put the value of average value of sin square qt is equal to half, we get average value of f0 sin qt dx by dt is equal to 0 plus f0 aq sin phi, and its average is 1/2. Now we know that raq is equal to f0 sin phi. We obtain this value in solution of forced oscillation. Then we get average value of f0 sin qt dx by dt is equal to the value of f0 sin phi, that is equal to raq. Put this value in this equation, then is equal to r a square q square upon 2. The value of r into dx by dt bracket square, that is equal to r, the dx by dt bracket square, that is aq cos of qt minus phi bracket square. Then we get r a square q square cos square qt minus phi. Take average both the sides, then we get r into dx by dt bracket square, its average, that is equal to average of cos square qt minus phi. The value of average value of cos square qt minus phi, that is equal to half. Put this value in this equation, then we get the value of r dx by dt bracket square, its average is equal to r a square q square and into half. First we obtain the value of f0 sin qt dx by dt, its average, that is equal to r a square q square upon 2. Now both these two values put in the equation of de by dt, then we get the equation de bar by dt, that is equal to f0 sin qt dx by dt, its average, minus r into dx by dt, its average. Put this value of r dx by dt, its average bracket square, r dx by dt bracket square, its average, its value is r a square q square upon 2. Put this value in this equation, then we get dE by dt is equal to the value of f0 sin qt dx by dt, that is equal to, put here, r a square q square upon 2 minus, put this value, r a square q square upon 2. Both these get cancelled with each other and we get dE bar by dt is equal to 0. The derivative is 0, then derivative of E with respect to t is 0, then we have E is equal to constant, that is E bar is equal to constant. dE bar by dt is equal to 0, then E bar is equal to constant. Average energy of oscillation over a cycle is constant, that is average energy it's is equal to constant.